everyone, good morning. It's 6:40 now a.m. here in Singapore. Wala siyang time difference from the Philippines. Hanap tayo na space na pwede natin pag-workan. So, since dito sa baba, sa hotel lobby nila yung may office table and chair, hiningi lang natin yung password sa wifi, then dito tayo mag-work. So, ayan, pag may mga ganong scenario, as a virtual assistant, you have to be resourceful and creative. So, since I don't have pwesto sa taas or sa room na nakuha ko or na-book ko, I go here sa lobby since they have office table and office chair here. So, yun lang. Updates ako and then working. After this, balik na ulit sa room para makapag-rest, then after that, monitoring na lang. So, ayan. Balik na tayo sa room. Katatapos na natin mag-work. And after that, usually kasi nag-online yung VAs like 11 a.m. Manila. And then, actually, ako, mas comfortable ako mag-work ng umaga. Then, pagdating ng 11 a.m., I just monitor the messages, and if kailangan ng mga urgent na help or concern nila, then that's the time makikipag-meet ako. Pero most of the time, monitoring lang. And since Sunday sa US, so wala kami meeting today. So, that's all. God bless.